welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing my classic Ipsy versus Boxycharm to see which box won this month. And if y'all are excited, please remember to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you have not joined the hashtag FamJam family here. And y'all, without further ado, let's just get into this. So I think I'm going to start with Boxycharm first to see what we got. So I'm loving this little card. It's so cute. I just love cactuses. So there's the theme for the month. It's just peace, love, Boxy. So first up in the box we have this Luxy Summer Days brush set. I'm so excited. We got some brushes. I just love getting brushes. So here's what they look like. And they're like an ombre effect. They're like kind of like a gold yellow on the bottom of the brushes and then hot pink on the top. And you get 3 of them. There's the Luxy Small Shader, the Luxy Small Contouring, and the Luxy Large Shader. So super excited about this. And then next up we got this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And I got the shade Summer Haze, which I'm excited about. And it's just like a loose highlighter. It's just a really shimmery kind of champagne color of a highlight. It's really pretty. It does have like some chunks of glitter in it, but not too bad. But I like a super glittery highlighter, so I'm not hating. And then next up, I got this Steve Laurent lip gloss in the shade Champagne. It's just a really pretty nudie champagne color. Here's what it looks like swatched. Super pretty. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. I like it when my lip glosses have a scent, but that's okay. So next up in the box, I got this Beauty for Real eyeliner. It's just a generic felt tip black liner, so I actually don't mind getting eyeliners in my subscription boxes. That way then I don't have to buy them. And then last thing in the box, we got this Festival Pure eyeshadow palette, and I am really excited about this because I've been seeing the Boxycharm videos of this palette and it's just stunning. This palette is just so beautiful. There's the shades. I will go ahead and swatch a few of these for you. So this one is called Gypsy. Then we've got Wild Child. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch the 2 glitter shades. We've got 24 Karat Magic. And then we've got Fireworks. And I'm actually pretty impressed with the glitter swatches because I have some glitter products and they've never did that good swatching them, so I'm actually really excited about this. So that is everything that I got in the Boxycharm this month. I think this month was actually a really good month. We got some really fun things for the festival season going on because Coachella, I think today's like the 2nd day of Coachella out in, I believe it's in California. Anywho, on to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm super excited about this. So here is the card for the month. It just says now in season fresh spring beauty. So first up in the Ipsy box we got this Paris Hilton dual action cleansing gel. I actually didn't even know Paris Hilton had a skincare line, so news to me. And here's what the packaging looks like. I like the rose gold printing on here, so interested to try that out, try out her brand. Next we got this Lovecraft Beauty blush palette. And I've been loving blushes a lot lately. I feel like Kathleen Lights has been obsessing over blushes lately, and I feel like I'm like feeling her vibes over here. But here are the blush shades. We've got Daphne in the middle, and then Athena and Oscilla. I'm not sure how to pronounce those words. Yeah, this is a really pretty palette. I like the packaging a lot. And then I got 2 of these Galactic 3-in-1 Sparkle Bombs. So I think the names of these are just so cute, and it like suits my personality to a T. So we've got Twinkle here. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you. Twinkle, and then we've got Periwinkle. So Twinkle just is like a clear gloss with sparkles, and then Periwinkle kind of has like a duochrome blue purpley sparkles in it. I love these. I think these are so cute. And then we got this Benefit Highbrow Pencil, and basically I've seen this in stores and I've just like never tried it out. So I'm excited to actually try this out. Basically this is like a brightening pencil for your brow bone, so you can like highlight it. So I'm actually really interested to see how this works out. And I think it's really cool that we got a Benefit product in our Ipsy bag, or Ipsy box. Really excited about that. And then last thing in the box, we got this Moods palette by Laura Sanchez, and I'm obsessing over the packaging of this. It's just so cute. And then inside you've got 2 highlighter shades and 8 eyeshadows, and I'm super excited about these bright colors. It screams summer to me, and I can't wait to play around with both of these eyeshadow palettes that we got in both our boxes this month. And that is going to do it for my Ipsy unboxing. Honestly, I feel like this month was a tie. Like, I feel like they both did great. They both had eyeshadow palettes. They both had certain things that I liked in both the boxes. Like, I liked everything this month. I'm super excited for everything. There really wasn't anything I was disappointed to get. So, with that said, y'all, you know what's coming next. Don't forget to leave me a comment saying which box you think won. And also, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.